In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up another device on 1Password. So if you have your 1Password account, go ahead and log into your admin console, then click your account on the upper right, and here you'll find set up another device. You can quickly set up any device that you wish, whether you want to set up your Android phone, your iPhone, or you want to set up it on Linux, Windows, or even on your Mac. I have this set up on my Windows, and so you know that if you want to set it up on your Windows PC or your browser, you need to go ahead and download the extension, right? Now for your phone, let's take for example an Android as an example. I'm going to go ahead and click on this option here. It's going to show me that I can download this from the Play Store. The same goes if I want to do it for iPhone. So you can download from the App Store or you can download from the Play Store, whichever one, depending on the device that you want to use. The next thing is once you download the application on the device, you can now go ahead and set it up using this quick step right here. And all you have to do, for example, on a phone, you will need to click and sign in, then choose to scan the QR code, and you can just show this QR code like this, and it will unscan it with your phone and it's going to sign you in. Otherwise, you'll have to do the manual setup. So you can choose sign in manually and follow the instructions to do that manually. Manually will work if you are going to set it up on your Mac, or you're going to do it on your Linux or something like that, or another Windows PC, right? And so that's pretty much it, guys.